Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Tesla Model Y wheel. Before starting, ensure your Model Y is parked on a firm, level surface and the parking brake is fully engaged. Safety is paramount, so place wheel chocks on the wheel diagonally opposite to the one you're changing. This prevents any accidental rolling. Also, gather your tools, a jack, a lug nut wrench, and a torque wrench. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get your Model Y safely lifted. Carefully position your jack pad directly beneath one of the 4 designated jack points, which are small, circular areas on the undercarriage. Slowly and steadily raise the vehicle using the jack until the tire you're working on is just barely off the ground. It's crucial to ensure the vehicle remains stable throughout this process. For extra safety, especially if you plan to spend more than a few moments, always use a jack stand to support the vehicle. With the vehicle safely lifted, it's time to remove the wheel. Using your lug nut wrench, loosen the 5 lug nuts by turning them counterclockwise. It's often easier to do this slightly before the wheel is fully off the ground. Once loosened, remove the nuts completely and carefully take the wheel off the hub. Remember, these wheels can be quite heavy. When installing the new wheel, align it precisely onto the wheel studs and hand tighten all 5 lug nuts to ensure it's seated correctly. For the final critical step, gently lower your Model Y until the tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, using a torque wrench, tighten each of the 5 lug nuts to 129 foot-pounds. It's essential to do this in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Once all nuts are properly torqued, you can fully lower the vehicle, remove the jack, and don't forget to take out your wheel chocks. Double-check all nuts after about 50 miles of driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.